Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix low engagement on Instagram. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, in order to fix your low engagement on Instagram, what you need to do is first you need to create your original content, the content that is never seen by other or that is rarely seen by the people. Once you do that, your engagement will be a bit boosted because the content is not seen by many people, right? As the Instagram is run by Meta, the organic views have been dropped. That means when you post a certain amount of people will only be able to see that post. For example, let's say you have 100 friends, and when you post a post, only 5 of them will be able to see that post, and in order to boost that, you need to pay. So the next step is that you can boost your post in order to increase your engagement on Instagram as well. And now the next thing that you can do is share your post to the different social medias like TikTok, YouTube, and etc. wherever you find easy. Once you have done that, you should have a proper bio as well as a profile picture, which will attract more people to engage in your profile. And that's basically how you can increase it. And that's it for today's video. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.